welcome drink. You can't tell me. Private bar, private lounge as we wait. Okay, so this is the room. When you first enter, you have this nice little hallway. This is for the room service where you put your food. Then you come through here. This is the closet. You have a little workstation, full-length mirror, photos. Then you have the bathroom, double sinks, nice little vanity. The shower, marble, black accents, very modern. Then you have your toilet. Another desk. Then you have the bed, TV, living area with the couch. You see that right there. We're gonna pop that in a second. Another huge TV. Then you have your mini bar. Everything is included. Mini fridge. The butler said that he'll bring a coffee machine for us because there's supposed to be one. So that will be there. Cute. Then we have jacuzzi, day bed, and then we also have a table, another day bed. That's the view. That's nice. Okay. So you can see the beach a little bit. And then you have your swimmers down below. Not really a fan of those because people just be walking by and it's not really private. So hungry. Hungry. I need like hot sauce. We had lunch at the buffet. Now we at the food truck. Compliments of being in an all-inclusive. All you can eat. Edges are still laid. And now we wait. We just eating to eat. Like, what about dinner? Are we gonna be hungry for dinner?
Hell yeah. It's only 4:22.
Let me show the beach. Nice little view. balcony. It's really pretty outside. And I'm eating fruit. I had some toast. They had these really cute jams. So, mermelada de mango. They have de fresa, strawberry. De pina. And this one is the guava one. So really cute jams. And we are just sunbathing at the moment. We're waiting on our taxi driver for our excursion today. We're doing the little boogie cenote, and I think we're just doing like a little hike at a ranch, getting to know like the culture and whatnot. So that should be fun. And was told it was only 3 hours, so we'll see. And then I guess we'll just come back and relax at the hotel. And yeah, so definitely we'll record that once we get on our way to the location.
Que diga de Pelé. Por favor, vamos a orar. Vamos a hacer un presentimiento más a la suegra. Por favor. Por favor. Miren la tartaruguina. Es el símbolo de Punta Cana, la tartaruguina. De símbolo Punta Cana.
Estamos allá y ahí lo molemos en esa máquina que tenemos acá. Dale, dame el pote de cacao. Así es, pues es Sammy Sosa y Michael Jackson, antes y después, según dice. Y esto es el té, el que nunca ha visto una mate de vainilla, eso que ustedes ven ahí. Looking here, sir, this is vanilla, right? Vanilla plants. Okay? This is vanilla plants. This is green tea. Okay? Es green tea para bajar de peso, para la resaca, para todo tipo de... Y acá tenemos lo que es la miel de abeja, honey. Esa es miel de abeja. 100%.
And these are vanilla, or he said vanilla trees? These two?
Vanilla, yeah.
Y'all just be prepared to be hassled for some money out here. If you go on an excursion, you don't want to buy nothing? You don't want to buy nothing? Come look. You just gotta stand your ground. If you don't want it, you don't have to buy it. And if they try to upcharge you, lowball them. Yeah. Bring them back down here. Cause it's a no for me. It's a no.
Okay, look at where.
Cute. It ain't that bad. Y'all should try it. Y'all want me to take a picture?
This is a necklace for me.
We got you. We got you on there.
Don't keep running.
Hey, come in the picture.
One, two, three,
This man's swimming. Oh.
Yeah, no, they tripping.
Where'd they go? Oh, he over there.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, give me. Okay, thank you. Yeah. One more time.
Alright, so we finished the buggies and it was fun. A bit risky, but fun. See? The cenote was cool. And now we're eating lunch. I'm not sure if you can hear us, but we're eating lunch on the beach. We have our drinks. The view. I'm ready to eat. Cheers. That was a fail. Made it to dinner. About to have some wine, some good food. It's a bit dark, but that's okay. Starting off with some shrimp and couscous and some baked cheese. Okay, interesting.
Chan chararan chararan chan.
Three.
Chan chan. Chan chararan chararan chan. Chan chan.
Ooh,
Enjoy your dinner.
gracias. I'm gonna get a piece of that. Just, I already know. It's a little dark, but y'all gonna see me eat. Let's see how this tastes. That's good, that's good. So the dessert is it's a knower. It's a maybe.
Maybe.
Is it maybe? It's not the best. It's not horrible. But the entrees and the appetizers were on point, and then this ain't. So there you go. Can't take him nowhere. Can't take him nowhere.
Put that in YouTube.
No, cut it out. So yeah, so I'll probably pick it up tomorrow. Might be in the second part because it's probably gonna be long. And we have another excursion, so stay tuned for that. But you might call it a night.